A home theater projector needs the right screen to deliver the best results, and the projector screen will allow your expensive home entertainment equipment to work the way you want it to. Your projector will deliver optimal picture quality, with accurate color reproduction and deep contrast. In this video, you will find the best projection screen on the market. If you want more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's get on with the video, and start with our first pick. The 135 inches Frame Elite monitor has a huge display and 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio for a full motion experience. It is easy to install in minutes, with a set of tools included. When watching movies, colors are reproduced accurately and vividly thanks to the screen's matte white surface. When it comes to design, a black velvet frame around the base gives it a premium and glamorous look. It features a transparent screen, designed for use with hidden or rear speakers, as the curtain fabric allows more sound to pass through, creating a more realistic theater experience. It's hard to fault this projector screen, aside from its high price tag. If your budget allows, this is one of the best fixed-mounted displays for any home. However, if you are not a perfectionist with an unlimited bank balance, we think the Silver Ticket is a better choice. At number 2, Silver Ticket STR169100. If you're looking for the best possible projection screen for your budget, you can't go wrong with this 100 inches Silver Ticket. Its body is made from profiled aluminum, giving it a very solid feel. It looks like a premium product at an affordable price. With a wraparound, contoured frame, you'll get the best possible home cinema viewing, as the wrap helps prevent shadows and the bezel absorbs extra light, useful if your projector isn't positioned at the best angle. It also looks pretty with the black frame. This is a permanent mount, so it's best for those looking for a monitor that will stay in one place, like a basement or game room. With a 160-degree wide viewing angle, you'll get great pictures no matter where you sit. The best feature of this projector is its streamlined, wrapped frame. Black light-absorbing material surrounds the frame to help absorb excess light, so you don't have to be so precise when aiming and adjusting your spotlight. At number 3, Best Choice Products 119 inches projector screen. With this projector, you can save space with the convenience of a rollable projector. This is best for anyone looking for this feature. With its affordable price, easy assembly, and quality matte white vinyl display, it's a great buy. This is a fixed screen with a manual lowering mechanism designed for semi-permanent installation. You can lower the screen when it's ready to use, with the lock feature ensuring your screen stays in place during use. When you're done, just scroll the screen up. Remember that the screen itself is square, so if you're going to use it in a 16:9 aspect ratio, you won't be able to benefit from all 119 inches. You'll get a 97 inches widescreen image, 5 inches. When watching movies, the color and detail are very impressive, and the brightness is great. Elite Screens Sable Frame B2 is at number 4. If you're looking for a projector screen for a small space, this is a bit smaller than some of the other monitors here. The projector screen is mildew-resistant and easy to clean with soap and water, and it is surrounded by a black velvet aluminum frame that helps absorb projector light and keep the image on the screen instead of the wall. In addition to its high-quality construction and premium feel, this monitor won't wrinkle over time. Check out this monitor if you're looking for a premium product that's easy to use and doesn't overwhelm a smaller room. Cinewhite UHD. It features a 160-degree viewing angle with an all-black front projector screen material. Compatible with standard short-throw, Ultra HD projectors, an aluminum frame with a dense black velvet coating absorbs overexposure from projectors while enhancing contrast for a refined theater experience. At number 5, Elite Screen Spectrum. Elite Screens 180 inches is a 16:9 4K motorized drop-down projector display that uses the included remote control to raise the screen when not in use. We like that the screen is completely black, preventing light from coming in from behind and giving you sharper video quality. The texture of the screen also allows for more accurate color representation, and it's also easy to clean. Thanks to its size, it is also ideal for use in meeting rooms or offices. It weighs 52.9 pounds, so it's not something you'll want to move once installed, and the design gives you the option of ceiling or wall mounting. If you're ready for bigger-than-life movies, then a 180 inches monitor might be just what you need. Max White has 1.1 gain, 4K Ultra HD, and an active 3D-ready front projection screen with a black stand. Features a 180-degree viewing angle, is durable, easy to clean, and is green guard, and Green Guard Gold certified for safe and clean indoor use. Compatible with standard Ultra HD projectors. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.